Hello everyone. Are you looking to learn a new vocabularies in Arabic? Well, let's get started and learn them together. Remember that before we start pronouncing the words that we are saying the words with a pause form. So we end the word with sukun. Okay, the first word is table, طاولة, طاولة. Repeat after me. طاولة. Phone, هاتف, هاتف. Repeat after me. هاتف. Key, مفتاح, مفتاح. Repeat after me. مفتاح. Book, كتاب, كتاب. Repeat after me. كتاب. Watch, ساعة, ساعة. Repeat after me. ساعة. Perfect. House, منزل, منزل. Repeat after me. منزل. Good. Pen, قلم, قلم. Repeat after me. قلم. Chair, كرسي, كرسي. Repeat after me. كرسي. Good. Bed, سرير, سرير. Repeat after me. سرير. Good. We have screen, شاشة, شاشة. Repeat after me. شاشة. We have window, نافذة, نافذة. Repeat after me. نافذة. Perfect. Door, باب, باب. Repeat after me. باب. Good. We have lamp, مصباح. It's مصباح, مصباح. Repeat after me. مصباح. Perfect. We have television, تلفاز, تلفاز. Repeat after me. تلفاز. Perfect. We have refrigerator, ثلاجة, ثلاجة. Repeat after me. ثلاجة. Good. We have plate, طبق, طبق. Repeat after me. طبق. We can also say dish in case like it's full. صحن, صحن. Repeat after me. صحن. We have glass, كأس, كأس. Repeat after me. كأس. So there's sukun above alif, so you have to make sure that you pronounce e. كأس, كأس. Perfect. We have knife, سكين, سكين. We have fork, شوكة, شوكة. Repeat after me. شوكة. Perfect. We have spoon, ملعقة, ملعقة, ملعقة. Perfect. We have computer. Remember that we can also say computer as it is, or we can say حاسوب, حاسوب. Repeat after me. حاسوب. Perfect. We have printer, طابعة, طابعة. Repeat after me. طابعة. Perfect. We have picture, صورة, صورة. Repeat after me. صورة. Perfect. We have umbrella. مظلة. مظلة. Repeat after me. مظلة. Good. We have shoe. حذاء. حذاء. Repeat after me. حذاء. Good. We have shirt. قميص. قميص. Repeat after me. قميص. Perfect. We have hat. قبعة. قبعة. Repeat after me. قبعة. قبعة. Good. We have glasses. نظارة. نظارة. Repeat after me. نظارة. Perfect. We have wallet. محفظة. محفظة. Repeat after me. محفظة. Perfect. We have leg. ساق. ساق. Repeat after me. ساق. Perfect. We have hand. يد. يد. Repeat after me. يد. Good. We have eye. عين. عين. Repeat after me. عين. Good. We have أذن. 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 Repeat after me. أذن. Good. We have mouth. فم. 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 Perfect. We have nose. أنف. أنف. Repeat after me. أنف. Perfect. We have head. رأس. رأس. Again, we have sukun and alif with hamza. So we say رأس. 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 Repeat after me. رأس. رأس. Perfect. We have heart. قلب. قلب. Repeat after me. قلب. Perfect. We have brain. دماغ. دماغ. Repeat after me. دماغ. We have hair. شعر. شعر. Repeat after me. شعر. Perfect. We have skin. جلد. جلد. Repeat after me. جلد. Good. We have bag. حقيبة. حقيبة. Repeat after me. حقيبة. Perfect. We have teeth. أسنان. أسنان. Repeat after me. أسنان. Perfect. We have tongue. لسان. لسان. Repeat after me. لسان. Perfect. We have car. سيارة. سيارة. Repeat after me. سيارة. Excellent. We have library. مكتبة. مكتبة. Repeat after me. مكتبة. Good. We have airport. مطار. مطار. Repeat after me. مطار. Perfect. We have tea. شاي. شاي. Repeat after me. شاي. Well, that's the end of our video for today. If you are eager to learn more about Arabic, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Till next time. Bye.